Alright, I'm here in my lab and I've got my iPhone 6 Plus. This is my personal phone and it's got touch disease. So let's fix it. So the first thing we're going to start with is just disassembling the phone. Normally I film my videos on this phone, so that's why this video is going to look bad, but I figured I got to do it, so let's do it. Maybe you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. Yeah. I'm just taking my hot air gun and I'm just getting some hot air on the situation. And I'm going to keep doing this until the phone's hot to the touch. Not like hot as in it's going to melt, but warm as in like I better not get it any warmer or it might hurt my hand to grab it type of thing. Alright, let's get this view back over here. I'm going to take a flat razor blade like so. Oh, that camera focus is bad. Okay. Take that razor blade and I'm going to insert it gently right in the bottom. We're going to take the whole motherboard out, obviously, so we got to remove these plates. We got to remove the battery because we're also doing a battery swap. I've got a brand new Apple branded battery going back in this bad boy. A little dirty in here, and on this model, these are all Phillips. Alright, now we're just going to pull off this little black sticker here. And we're going to see if we can find the touch IC underneath. Alright. Now we got that off of there. Maybe we'll just do this. I'm going to pull this guy right there off. And then I'm going to run a jumper from that red point to the trace that's just outside of the chip. And then I'm going to put this all back together and the touch is going to work. Alright, we're going to take off this touch chip now. Alright, while the board is still a little warm before it cools completely, before all that thermal energy leaves the board, we're going to use some of it to make this a little easier. Now, everybody says do it this way, try it this way, yada yada yada. I'm going to try it. What we're going to try is taking a piece of solder wick and using some hot air to clean these pads. I've seen it done 100 times, never done it. And so we're going to see if it actually works like they show. Well, that's pretty good. I'll take a picture of it to show you here. Alright. Now I'm going to put in the little jumper wire. You probably can't even see this. It's point... Oh, you can see it a little. Kind of catching the light there, yeah. So tiny, I lost it. There it is. Alright, now I'm just cleaning up the chip I'm going to reball and put back on. Soldering iron's heating up right now. Stencil out, get our paste out, low melt solder paste out. My favorite spudger for this is ready. Going to be a good one. I can already see. Turned out just fine. I'm going to brush a little flux on this side. This is just a little conformal coating. I'm going to put it on the wire, and you're not even going to be able to see it because it's going to be such a small job. Better. Now, this is ready to seat. Alright, And then after getting the repair done, the touch chip replaced, and the phone back together, as you can see, touch is now working. I can take photos, whatever. Touch is now working just fine. So, reballing the chip fixed the issue. Look at that. And not bad.